Batisi TV, Lone Rashapi da ka Frank Motors, ka Jaka Dekali ka Batamai jong ka Tata Motors, Halat ko ni Shillong, ringkat ba ka Net Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jongpi.
Vice Chancellor Jonka School ba North Eastern Hills University, Professor P.S. Shukla, hakasngi ba Jonka arpu hundreo terik ubanaya yong jar arpu ula penslur ye ki breu ki banabar ke jela Megalia, bakide ban nang ban keren ban tho ye ka ketien khasi, habaki shong kisa hakane ke jela. Kene ke jingken tu jong Vice Chancellor kene ke school ba kalalong ha gajingya thernia bala penlong de Department of Khasi jong ka school ba nehu halor ka phang teaching and learning Khasi language for non-Khasi speakers. Hagani ke jingelang Vice Chancellor la persang ru ban keren de ketin Khasi hakapor ba ula keren ku bukongsan ban plipat ba yakani ke jingya thernia bala ya bentalang da udin jong ka School of Humanities ke nehu Professor Wanlal ngahak ubalalong ku sembut kongsan head jong ka Department of Hindi Professor Bharat Tripathi head jong ka Department of Khasi Dr. DRL Nonglaj ke Professor Streamlet Dekhar Dr. MM Khamdait bat kiwei
Anga dab dot kop jing claim hawa ang don long bot fi minta ka sangi hawa ungi swang yakane ka baksa kawa si sangi. We are here to discuss a very important thing under new education policy. First of all, we would like to congratulate the organizer, Professor S. Dakar, along with Dean, Head of the Department of Khasi, Hindi, and also Professor Badapali. She already got a award, especially on work. She did a lot of work on Khasi. After joining in this institution, I feel that there is a gap between the society and university. There is a gap between the Khasi student and non-Khasi student. There is a gap between the different kind of tribals. And all the students learning in this institution, but why not did in the past? Then I think to develop a kind of good relation among the student, among the faculty members, also between the university and local people. Language is a barrier. Even though first I start myself, I'm also trying to learn the Khasi language. And new education policy also emphasize that minimum 3 languages. One is the regional languages, another is the national languages, and then international languages. So with this, or after learning all 3 languages, we can feel, yes, I am able to express my views for the local people in the local languages, for the national people in the national languages, and at international platform I am able to speak in international languages. And that is also need of the coming era. If we are not having all three types of languages, I feel it creates a problem in the future. Not for the teachers who are already appointed in this university. In the future, my student will face the problem. That's why I'm just trying to discuss to start a kind of Bhasha Sangam, language communication platform in the name. Really, I feel proud to be present here. The head of the department of Khasi language, because you have the capacity. You have already the Khasi department, Garo department, Hindi department, linguistic department. And in the country, only few universities having such kind of facilities. And you can take initiative. In the leadership of Professor S. Dakar, really I am very happy. He is already started the work in this area. I hope in the future we will able to make a different kind of environment in the campus of NEU. And students will also feel better to share their views in the local languages from one student to other student. In national languages from one student to other student, and also in the international languages. So this is the time. You just start. You just start from your own self. Yes, I am a Khasi. I know the Khasi language. Can I make a relation with non-Khasi student? Non-Khasi, only one relation. Just to transfer my views in Khasi language and also learn from other and their regional languages. In this way, we can develop a good relation between the student and then among the student.
Yes, it's a great pleasure to attend this kind of workshop as we are teachers, and in Kendriya Vidyalaya we are in all the country we are just teaching. So in this local area, as per NEP, New Education Policy, there are three main languages. First is local language, second national language, and then international language. So through local language we will teach them the national language. So there is a main link between these languages. If we attend this kind of workshop, then we will learn how to teach them through local language. Yes, as we know that language can be learned in 1 or 2 days. So if this kind of workshop can be continued for many days, then we will learn better, then we will teach the students better. My main expectation is that first of all I will just learn basic communication skills, how to communicate with the local Khasi students. Yes, I am interesting because in primary students, little students, and whenever they are coming, if they'll know only Khasi, and I know Hindi and English, but I can't communicate with them because they will not understand me. So if I learn Khasi, then I will communicate and enjoy the teaching and learning process.
Ini ke workshop ni lah ya perkat nak kalian jangka department Khasi, buat kunjuk ru nak kalian jangka department Hindi. Bang yang ba kalade yang ni ya kabangin penlongkung kini ke workshop. Ha kaban yo ban hikai ya kini ki ki nohikai dan ki kena puli ki research scholar kepada huni bakin nang ya ketian khasi but kani kenyisha kaladon hina do menshwa program perkhat ke jungi bagi page ke bagi jelang i ba ki babun ki nang swa ban kren ya ketin tin rei kumbalong mendapat haga jala ke jungi ubawan nang nuru namar bangi kloy ban kren ya ke english but ya kloy ban kren ya ke hindi ti kim persyang ban nang ya kan ban kren ya ke ketin te kawai ke basultanat kalong bahdin ba wandu ni ubaisan selor upen pau bahaya gani kawai ba wong ba balai kino hikai ni kem nang ban kren khasi balai kim kilasong la kata senem kwa ruban uru nang ya ke ban kren ya ketin te kani ke penlong ingi kum kino hikai jong khasi department bangin perkhat ba kan kanok ba bahal nang ila ban penlong kum kini ki workshop kani ke workshop bangi penlong menta karang dei kesin ke ban kong ya ke bangin hikai ban menta gindon tangki research scholar bat kumju ru ki samla puli jong ka hindi department te hadin ngin sanang senang ngin sa penlong susul sakiwai pat namar ba ke workshop tang sisi nom lah ban highlight ye ki hikai hendre nang ngila ban penlong da kuwai pat ki workshop ki ba sausi san singi bat ha ke bangin yo ru ye ki no isim menda na ki no hikai dan ki no tre jong ka nehu katakan kam untoi susu na ka benda jong ka department ngila ban ong bakalam syata te hendre officially te kampade baka kampadon kanu karai nagaliang jong kani hu hendre ha kajing persyang kajongi kata kalong ba ya gaktin kepadon kalong gaktin khasi ni gaktin garu ni gaktin penar ketum hagi cakak bakidon gimana bar kide banang ban keren ya ketu gaktin but susu kajing temu jong ka department ni kalong ba ginang tre susu apa dei berka khasi berka hindi department ru amar ba kini kide artli ki literature department ke bangi hab ban yasim ya ai te gladon kajing keren ngimtip adu kablong ila ban pentrekam ya kani hindring idon kajing temu kata kalong ba gin don kajing trelang kata kamut ba ke bakadon ha literature khasi ke bagi ada rumenta in persyang ban penkelai ka saktin hindi kanang mata ke babun kin yo ban tips pang literature jongi bar ke bakhamha ke badon ke baki literature bakhamba ha ke hindi ru minra sak khasi kemangi pule ke literature Greek literature English literature ni kwa bakadi ke bakadon na di India ke jongi ru in yo ngiladon hi kum ka ki hagi hikai ke Gitanjali ke jong Rabindranath Tagore baka translation tingi kwa ban khamyo khambun susu nalor kini ke te kata kade ke bangi naglang jepat mengi perkhat re halukan ngilak ban penulong te kata kal por kan sabatai kabaide bat ka jingpen trekam hi ya ke NEP ya kan ni ting impat la banong hi namar ba kaladon ke komiti Henry kini ke jing tre ke jongi kalak penlong bah ke jing i ke jong puisi kalak penlong bah kalak pan ya chata Henry ke jing i ke jongi kalong bet ke jing tre peding artli ke department bat kata ka jing sngo ba ki penabar ngi kwa ba kinang ke ketir khasi ke jongi mendai ba amba kinwan tang hindi ban impose ba hindi menang kan hindi mengi khasi ru ba kidan ni mud ki penabar kinang ke ketir ke jongi ke jing borom keliat ke te hang ni ka jing sha kam dei bangi ki bangi ong mo ba gin hikai Ndre kadai nak ketaban syah hikai kum ka kerteng bagi bu untuk kadai teaching and learning ne te kajing syah ke baki kham ngam ki kham pele jimut kata kalong kaji kren na baro arliang ke ek ba maki ki kwa banang ber ke ek bangi ngila ban hikai te kumbalong ki modul ki bangi la pan kre kata kalong ka bari kadai kaji kren man la kasli kini ki day to day conversation habaki dan hayo hat ki syong taxi ki syong ki rung hadukan syah ki rung library lani kajian keren habdeng ki unohikai bat ki kena kiran ki resource person ki nongsim benda ki wana ka school Kendra Vidyalaya ru nah hindang ni napo ni hujongi ti gitu kin ngakmi dan tiba kin kwa bantip halor kan ni kumno bakin keren mari kena kelas 1 kin wan ban kong hakibi ti bakin keren lagi hindi ki patla ban snot hu ti kat tu gitu kina hikai kin kwa benang katu kat ni ban keren lagi tin khasi kenang bagi tu ki kena kin snot hu ti ngin persyang ban yeleh ban ra kita baru ha kani ka workshop ke jongi ti main ni ka wehi kalong ba ngin pet be kani ka jinga keren ni khana ba man lagasi ayo hat mol pi dan ni haki bagi lejiwan basyong taxi dan ni bathit jing thit jur kita ya menta te kamdan kani kalong bai baka sehi ka bei tengkah hi kani hu ngin penlong kani ka program tingi kimi nanti bala syai hadin habut ngin penlong ki workshop ki bakambun singi kani hu kan bei ya kani Tila dekat bagan nihu kadang bay nginam padan kamban sim bisa. Ti ng sapet kamadian kan long kublo nomor kum kini kisi long badan kapor klempan pisaru ngimkwa ban lum re kitu ki basahi kai kamtam la nomor ba hangi ngim sutu andre ngila penlong tem gawe ke program kumban ni ber ke DBCIC. Ti ha tu kapor ngi berdubung ha kisi pai BSF. Ki bawan ki buka ban tip margi dan saborda. Tikum kitu ki program kum nangta nakalian dengan bakla nakalian juga sebuk ki pelong kum gini ki program. Tigitu ki bawan hang tu renteng da kajing sngo kemen kajung kiki ahi dan kamban pan tang bakan ya ke tender kum mangi ni Central University kat manginang yo ka funding tingin nam kamban pan.